Hello, this is David Wilcox with Vortex Teardrop Trailers, and I'm going to put together the arches. This is approximately how you're going to receive your arches. You can see it's got some bolts in it. You need to remove those bolts in order to loosen up all the parts that are just there for shipping. You're also going to get a box of smaller parts. These are the arches and some tools for building the kit. Okay, I've pulled the bolts out. And you can see that each arch is identified with some letters. This L means left, O means the outside of 2 layers, and 3 is the third one in series. I'm going to lay these outside ones on the ground first. Okay, I've got the inside ones reserved here in a pile, and I have the outside ones laid out in the perimeter. And you can see this is L05. These are the best ones to start with when you first lay them out. Lay them side by side, and I'll do the left side first over here. That's L05. Here's L04. Now all of the identifications face upwards. You'll also see when you put 2 of these together, there's an index hole that matches. If you've got it assembled wrong, those holes will not match up. And if you see this, you see half a hole on one side that doesn't match the other side, there's a misassembly. That's to clue you in something's wrong. L03. L02. And L01. This is the first one on the front. So there's the full arch set for the outside layer of the left side. Do the same thing on the right side. R05. R04, right outside 4, right outside 3, and once again I'm seeing these index marks match up. The right side has a 1/4 inch index, the left side has a 3/8 inch index, the diameter of the index hole. Okay. There's the layout. Once again, all identifications are facing upwards. I've got the right side on the right side to keep track of things. Left side on the left side. Now you'll notice on the inside ones, this is right inside 1. 5, I'm sorry, it's the opposite end. 5. Okay, you're going to start on the right, the inside layer now, both sides. This is the last one on the right side. This is right inside 6. right? Inside 5. Now you'll notice on the inside layer of arches, they have the notches for the beams. Those notches do not exist on the outside layer. So it's a good way to tell them apart. Four. 3. 2. Right inside 1. Left. Once again, identification's always up. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Left inside 1. There we go. Okay, let's put a couple of these together. This is from the previous video. We've got the lower, the inside and outside layers done. This is the left side I'm working on. So let's expose the piece that is known as LO1 is what I'm working on here. Now what you would normally do is spray in the area that we are about to laminate white glue. I'm not going to because this is my demonstration set and I'm going to be taking it back apart. But so no glue in this one. But you line it up and you've made these dowel pins. They're 1.5 inches or a little less long. If you make them a little less, they won't come through the other side when you pound them in here. So first thing you do is knock in a pair of these pins. It's flush. You want it flush. The other pin. All right, that's assembled. Then you take 1 1/4 inch screws and secure it together. And I like to get about an inch from the dowel. Make sure the two pieces come together, and you'll see some glue probably come out if you put on a lot. And this is fine because this is the smaller piece, but if you get a longer piece, you want to go about every 8 inches. In fact, I'll stick one in the middle there, between the screws. Okay, there's the first one. Second one, same procedure. Dowel pin, first the glue, dowel pin, and you notice my index holes match up. They also match on the far side. They go all the way through the part, so you should see those index holes on both sides. I'm going to move the parts so I don't have to move the camera. Once again, index holes, index hole. This is a slot for one of the studs in the wall. And you keep going until your arch is done. This takes a few minutes, but it's a good rigid assembly.